It's got to the point where we've chosen which lifetime ISA provider to go with, and it's time to open the account. So that's what this video is all about. This is one in a series of videos that we're doing about lifetime ISAs. Check out the other videos if you haven't seen them. I want to tell you we are not sponsored by Hargreaves Lansdown.
Nope, although we're open to cash.
This is just what we thought was best for us, for me, opening this lifetime ISA. And this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. We're not regulated. This is just us sharing our opinions and ideas.
I'm probably doing what financial advisors should actually do, which is help people open this stuff. But anyway, I'm going to get off my high horse. Let's get on with this. Katie's about to turn to 40 in a few days, so we need to get this done. Let's open a lifetime ISA, Katie.
So I'm going to click on Join Hargreaves Lansdown. That feels like the...
I think you should click on Investing and choose Lifetime ISA.
Ooh, okay. Let's do that. So we're just going to talk you through our thought process, and this is live thinking about the site and showing you how we would go about it. So Lifetime ISA, and this is the page that explains about the Lifetime ISA, and it says open a Lifetime ISA. If you want to, you can read these bits. We did our own videos explaining what a Lifetime ISA is as well, so please watch that video if this is all new to you.
So let's click open a lifetime ISA and let's get on with this.
This is exciting.
You're only 40 for a few more days.
I'm not 40 yet. Lifetime ISA application. Filling in the application takes about 10 minutes. It's saying we should be comfortable choosing our own investments. Tick.
Which if you're not, please come on Rebel Finance School. We go through all of that stuff and we can help you with it.
I actually really like this because it's saying, are you confident making long-term investment decisions? Yes. Free from significant debt other than a mortgage. Again, this is
Which
actually...
feels like everything we've been saying to you, the audience, through the LISA series as well,
Yeah,
which is great.
It's really great to see that they're being responsible and saying, you know, this is only if you're ready to invest and what they think ready to invest means. Clear on our charges and the tax benefits. Yes, we've done our homework. See the previous videos for that.
A lot of research.
Am I 18 to 13 years old on the date of the first payment is made?
Yes,
Yes,
and
I
we
am.
are UK residents for tax purposes, so we tick all of those boxes, which is fantastic.
And then it says, ask for financial advice if you're not sure. I think if you're not sure, there's other ways to educate yourself, such as coming to Rebel Finance School.
Exactly. What do you need to know before opening a lifetime ISAs? Investments can go up and down, tax rules. The bonus will be paid 4 to 9 weeks after the contribution because they actually have to go to the government to get it,
So
and it's not that fast.
And then it's explaining how it works as to what you can use your lifetime ISA for. So either to buy a house as a first-time buyer, or you have to wait till you're age 60, or they do pay out if you don't have long to live as well, which is interesting.
Yes.
And then if you withdraw money for any other reason, you'll have to pay the withdrawal charge, which makes sense.
Which is just the bonus they give you in the first place. So in a way, like, it is still possible, but we would recommend not doing that, taking the bonus and then using it for retirement.
And it's saying as well, it's just giving you a warning that there are other ways to invest for your retirement as well, such as your pension through your employer.
Yes, which can be very good if you're getting matched money, and SIPs, if you're a higher rate taxpayer, SIPs can be excellent. So there are plenty of other options. Watch the other videos.
Okay, and then it says what you need to have to hand, so your NI number, card details to actually give them the money, or your bank details if you want to do it as a regular investment. And we're actually going to do it as a lump sum. We're just going to open the account with the £100 because we plan to do the amount in kind of one go later on, whereas there's another way of doing it if you were to invest monthly. Those are the two options.
Which is called lump sum investing versus dollar cost averaging, and lump sum investing nearly always beats dollar cost averaging, so we will put the money in one go and allow it to grow. The only reason you wouldn't is if you don't have the money in one go and it comes out of your salary each month.
And then it's saying you need to read all these documents, which we have done, but please make sure you read those documents as well. So now we're going to go open a lifetime ISA.
Let's get in.
Are you an existing client? I am not. So the first screen that you're going to come to when it comes to filling out your details and opening this lifetime ISA is the Your Details page. And this is very basic information that you should know about yourself. So it will be easy sort of confidence building start to filling in the form. So we're not going to fill this in because I don't want to tell the whole world and the internet my date of birth and national insurance number. So
you know our first names.
You do know our first names.
And our surname's Donagans if you want to look us up. But it asks you national insurance number, nationality, email address, phone number, house address. How did you hear about us? Who cares about that?
This is probably
the only important bit.
This is the only interesting part on this screen. So it's like, how do you want to add money to your lifetime ISA? Are you going to add it in a lump sum as cash? So it says add cash. It means as a lump sum, and you can put in between 100 and 4,000. 4,000 being obviously the maximum that you're allowed to put in one tax year. Or do you want to set up monthly payments? Now, why would you do that? Well, if you're earning your money monthly, as most people do, then you're probably going to be investing monthly. The sooner you can put in money, the better. So if you do have money saved up that is earmarked for investing, you might want to do this add cash option. And then it says you can actually do a little bit of both. So maybe this add cash now, set up monthly payments option. Maybe you've got some cash, a bit more, maybe saves up some, and then you also want to be going forward, investing money from your monthly paycheck.
The reason you want to do this is the statement that time in the market is more important than timing the market. What that means is get your money in as quickly as possible and working for you. So if you do have that lump sum saved, put it in straight in one go. If you don't, then it comes out monthly from your salary, whatever it is, and put it in as you go. The quicker you get your money working for you, the better.
And I would add, the quicker you can get the government's money working for you as well, because however much you put in, they're going to match with that 25%. So get that in nice and early and get the government's money working for you as well. And then the other bit on here is just the personal data. How do you want to be contacted? What I wanted to show you is that when you press these buttons, it's going to come up with different options below. So it's saying, okay, put in your debit card details. If you say that you're going to do monthly payments, it wants you to set up a direct debit. And then if you want to do a bit of both, it heads doing both. It's kind of logical. Well done, Hargreaves Lansdown. It says, please wait while your payment is processing. I guess it might take us to verify that through the bank that this is a legit purchase.
Exactly. And then you can see across the top you've got the different sections: select product, personal details, account options. All personal details have been verified, which is awesome. Now we're on account options, which is where we create our username, password, numbers and security questions. There's lots of different stuff there that we need to do. How would you like to link income received in your account to be treated? Which is basically like, do you want it automatically reinvested or held on the lifetime ISA account? We can nominate the bank account that it comes into. So I think the only thing you actually need to see us fill in is we're going to go automatically reinvested with that one, because we're not going to touch the money until we're 60. So we're going to pause the video here whilst we fill out our sensitive security data, and then come back to you in a second on the next page.
Welcome back. We just filled in all the security questions and passwords and things which you do not need to see. So now the thing is, it's asking us, do we want to choose what we want to invest now, or are we going to choose investments later? Now normally we would just get on with it and choose the investment, but we're going to do that in a separate video to talk you through how we decide what to invest in. So I'm going to click choose investments later, and it just says that any contributions will just be put as cash in your lifetime ISA. So I'm going to click that.
And that's an important thing to realise as well, is that lots of people we speak to put cash into these accounts, SIPs and ISAs, and then forget to invest it. So it's very important to actually come back and invest it.
Okay, so it says finished, my application's been received. They're going to set up the account, and then they'll email me when it's set up and ready to go. Which
we're very excited about. Go for it, Hargreaves Lansdown. Get this done. Get it back to us. Hope you enjoyed the video. It'll guide you through everything you need to know. And look out for the next one, which is about choosing which investments we choose in here. Please hit like and subscribe. It really makes us feel like it's valuable doing these videos to us, for you.
And we'll see you next time.